At Speed Week on the Bonneville Salt Flats, Zach provides power for the event's administrative trailers.
The electricity they need to run the event here in Utah.
The Komodo Power Tank is a portable power grid powered by 14 kilowatts of solar panels with more battery capacity than a Tesla.
14 kilowatts worth of solar should keep the battery charged up.
Racers like Superfast Matt, who attempts to set a land speed record of 266 miles per hour in his custom streamliner built in his garage.
Hit 266 miles an hour in his DIY contraption that he built in his garage.
Matt's car, which is 22 feet long and uses a motorcycle engine, hits a top speed of 244 miles per hour on its first run.
It's about 22 feet long. It's only about 2 feet tall and 2 feet wide.
Jim Hoogerhide races a car converted to be fully electric with a Tesla motor. His car has previously reached a speed of 312 miles per hour.
This car last year we went 312.
No way.
Yeah.
Is that the...
The event is described as a well-organized but wild gathering of people pushing their homemade vehicles to the limit.
To see who can get their homemade go-karts going the fastest?
Well, that's around 20 minutes saved. See you next time.